how to build a dynamic page in Wix Studio. So to do that, what we can do is we can head over and then utilize this page option right here. Click onto this page button, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here this. Click onto this add new page on the very bottom, and in here you can see the option for dynamic page. So click on this add just below that. Now, as you can see right here, it will open here a template area. So just head over and choose in here a collection for your dynamic page. You can choose in here a collection that you want. And then from in there, you can choose which kind of dynamic page you want. It can be a list page, item page, blank page, or manage item page. For this one, I'll choose this and click onto this at the side option. Now, once we have done that, this will load and then click onto this create page. And then from in there, you just need to wait for it to actually be created. It may take some time depending on which kind of element and templates that you want to implicate with into your Wix Studio. Now, once it's been added, you should be able to see it added right here into your site pages, and you should be able to see it right there as well. So let's just wait for this. So as you can see, here's our dynamic page. Now you can head over and then just edit it according to your liking. So that's how you build a dynamic page in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.